sleeping. Colton, what's my name? Who am I? Are you sleeping? Not. Not. You give the camera a kiss? Give a kiss. Bye. You want me to turn the camera off? See it over here. Look. You see Aunt Jess? Look. You see Aunt Jess? You see Aunt Jess? I'm going to videotape you now. Say hi. Can you say touchdown? Colton, do it. Touchdown. How about this? Who's Aunt Jess's best friend? Yeah, you are. What about this? Can you say Mama? Dada? Mimi? Uncle Ben? Baby? Aunt Jess? Jessie. You say Jessie. Oh, the poor baby's sleeping. The poor baby's sleeping. Where's your head? That's your head. Where's your... Can you say hi? Where's your belly? Not.
Colton, can you say love you?
Aww.
Heaven and our heart. Good job.
Mama.
Where's your mouth? Where's your ear? Where's your nose? Where's your eye? Where's your foot? Where's your bottom?
There it is.
Where's your willy worm? Down in there. All the way down in there.
Hey, can you say thank you? You're welcome. Say bye to the camera.
Bye.
Say love you.
Thank you. Bye.
No kisses. Aww. Bye. Who's Aunt Jess's best friend? Yes, it's you.